I was looking at it the other day.
The worst part is you're on 2 different pages on the website.
I think he'll be going like 2 miles an hour.
Chronometer on there, everything.
Okay. Oh yeah, good old.
Local?
Yeah, it's C7.9. He's on this track too.
Why would he pass? I don't know anymore.
Because he's passing Q017.
Let's see if he's running 2 units.
Yeah, back is Leo! Mr. Bianco. Leo. Oh, awesome. Cool.
What's the power he was running with yesterday?
And he
Oh,
stopped.
no, wait, he's got a red. He's got a red on track 2.
What?
He's got a red. I'm telling you right now, I think he's got a red.
Yeah, you're right.
He's got a red. Yeah, he's waiting for whatever.
154, track 2 west, 2645 up.
Yeah, he's got a red on track 2. They're waiting for the track 1 to clear.
Yeah, what a major screw up he is.
Just remember, if you guys want to know what's going on down there, look at the website.
Okay.
So they're waiting for the. Oh, what? I got a picture with the yellow, with the green flashing light green.
Nice.
How about this? The sunset.
You still got it rolling?
Yeah, still rolling. I'm gonna cut it.
That is such a